No kneading, no effort, just time doing all the magic, and trust me, the result better than bakery focaccia. Imagine pulling out a golden airy focaccia with a crispy crust and soft bubbly inside, and the best part, the dough made itself overnight. Start by adding lukewarm water, sugar and yeast in a bowl. Mix it well. Now add flour, salt and oil. Mix it into a sticky messy dough. It looks wrong, but that's exactly what you want. No kneading needed. Just mix until everything comes together. Mix until a sticky dough forms. Look at the texture of this dough, sticky and shaggy. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil over it. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and let it rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes. After resting 20 minutes, wet your hands, stretch one side of the dough and fold over. Rotate the bowl and repeat 3-4 folds. Do this process 3 times every 20 minutes. This builds the structure like a bakery dough. Cover the dough and let it rise for 2 hours until doubled, or you can refrigerate it overnight for deeper flavor like bakeries. After proofing for 12 hours, let's gently uncover the dough and gently stretch and fold it again with light hands. Drizzle olive oil generously on your baking tray. Gently transfer the dough, don't deflate it too much. Cover the dough and let it rest again for about 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. After proofing the dough for about 45 minutes, now comes the fun part. Drizzle more olive oil and press your fingers into the dough to create those classic focaccia dimples. For that extra crispy bottom, use a metal pan and lots of olive oil. Again drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over it. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Look at the texture, crispy outside, soft and airy inside. This is exactly what bakery style focaccia should be. After baking the bread, immediately brush it with olive oil. I have used here rosemary and mixed herbs. Save this recipe because once you try it, you'll never go back. This lazy dough makes the best bread ever. No need, no stress, just perfect focaccia every time. This dough works harder than you do. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more bakery style recipes. See you in the next video.